Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your country to your X, formerly known as Twitter, account on your PC. With the recent update, this process has become even simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit your account page. Make sure you're logged into X. Once you're in, look for the Account section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Now, click on Account Information. This is where you'll find various settings related to your profile. Next, you'll need to enter your password. This step is important for security, so make sure you type it in accurately. Once you've done that, look for the option labeled Country. Click on it to proceed. After you've clicked on Country, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can select your correct country from the list. This is crucial for ensuring that your content is relevant to your region and that you receive accurate information tailored to your location. Once you've selected your country, look for the Agree and Continue button. Clicking this will save your changes and finalize the process, and that's it. You've successfully updated your country on your X account. Now you're all set to enjoy a more personalized experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.